Whoa! Thanks, Dad.
Introducing Jimu Robot, an interactive building block kit that lets you create and program your own robots.
Okay.
Connect Jimu to your Bluetooth tablet or phone to control its movements and programming. The 3D dynamic instructions make assembly easy.
Whoa, that's awesome! Look at that!
Jimu uses environmentally friendly materials that are durable and safe. The high-torque robotic servos create fluid movement. Jimu kits come in lots of different levels. Just use the RPP function to record, position, and play back your Jimu's movements. You can share your creation.
So we've got our video. We're gonna upload it online and let the Jimu community see what you've created.
Load new creations and actions. If you can imagine it, you can make it. Jimu Robotic Building Block Kits.